My 8 days silence program. No talking, no eye contact, no escape. Last year I took 1 year break and spent more than 8 months in an ashram. And this is what I learned after 8 days of silence. There was this program I did when I was in ashram called Samyama. Now what I learned from this program is completely another topic itself. But today I want to talk about the silence part of it. So it was an 8-day process and we had to remain completely silent. And silence means not just verbal silence. No eye contact, no gestures, no writing. Just you and your mind. First couple of days were just hardest. I felt like someone has just turned up the volume inside my head because all the thoughts were rushing from every direction. Old conversations, regrets, random memories. बस सब कुछ आ गया था. And then by the time day 4 came, my body just settled down in the routine. मतलब रोज सुबह 4 बजे उठो, meditation hall में जाओ, then same time खाना, same silence, सब कुछ automatic हो गया था. But my mind was still fighting. I just kept thinking कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, time waste तो नहीं हो रहा मेरा. And then day 5, day 6 came and this was like real storm in my head. मतलब पुरानी यादें, guilt, insecurities सब surface पे आने लग गया. Sitting in silence during meditation, it used to feel like मेरा mind खुद को बोल रहा है कि तू loser है, you're fake, you're not enough. But then something interesting happened. I mean, I didn't stop the thoughts, वो तो आ ही रहे थे. I just stopped reacting to them. मतलब वो thoughts आए, चले गए, बस एक distance बन गया था. And I think by the time day 7, silence didn't feel like punishment anymore. It started to feel normal. I mean, my mind was still active, but it just shifted to the background. मैं बस चल रहा था, खा रहा था, बैठ रहा था, लेकिन हर एक मोमेंट इतना रियल लग रहा था जैसे हर एक सेकंड zoomed in हो गया हो. एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि लाइफ में ऐसे कितने सारे मोमेंट्स बिना फील किए निकल गए. Just not aware in every moment. And at the end of the program, I felt like I hadn't felt in a long time. And that was trust. Trust for myself that I could be with myself without distractions and most importantly without getting bored of myself. Like no reels, no notifications, no validation, just me. And it felt enough.